Hello guys, and welcome to my unboxing of Duelist Nexus. Let's see what cards we have pulled out of this pack. I'm pretty excited because I've seen some other YouTubers have really good pulls, so let's go. So, in the first pack, we have a super rare Gazelle. Nice. I really want one Crimson Dragon, honestly. It would be amazing. But everybody does, right? Oh wow, a Baphomet. Nice, another super rare. Pack number 3 out of 24, I think. Oh wow, Yama, that's amazing. Damn. An ultra rare, very nice. Let's see. I really hope we get the Crimson Dragon. Oh my god. What a nice card. Damn. Wait. Damn. Very beautiful. Let's see. Okay. A Monarch. Not bad. Super rare. Pretty good pull so far, honestly. Let's see if it gets any better. Oh, struggle a bit with this one. Oh, nice. Nice one. Dino King Rex. Oh wow, that's an amazing secret. Damn, that's so cool. Nice. Let's see. Pretty good pulls, don't you think? I'm not sure. Oh, I've seen this card a lot. The remake of Magician and Faith. Pretty nice, but do people play her? Like, is she a good card? Let me know. I don't really play, like, I do play, but I'm not up to date with all the cards, but I do play. Okay, another one, nice. Very cool. So far we got one very nice secret rare. I hope we get another one. Damn, Yugioh of Tistinia. Let's see. Another one, damn. That was quick. I struggle a bit with the packs, but let's see. Okay, Altergeist. This one I also saw. Not sure how good this card is, but let me know. Pretty cool artwork though. Okay, Damn, that is a nice pull. Damn. It's an illusion fusion. Nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. We pulled that card. The staple card of this display. Damn. Nice. Cosmic Quasar Dragon. As an ultra amazing pull. That's pretty cool. Oh, another one. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Ooh, you're at the end. Du bist am Ende in German. Cool. Super. Not sure how good that card is either. Let me know what, like. Okay, I see. Okay, it's about. Okay. It's like a. I'm not sure how competitive it is, but let me know in the comments. I wonder if I would sell a couple of them, how much I would get in return. If there's any really good comments among these cards as well. Oh, damn. An ultra rare. Nice. It's from the Testina archetype. I bet it's valuable. Let's see. Damn. Another ultra rare. Damn, I know this card. This is a very strong card. Nice. Ooh. Very beautiful artwork. Another super rare. Cool. There's some really nice comments here as well. I bet some other decks can use them very well. But I mainly I play a synchro deck and a burn deck, so yeah. Damn. Cool. Nice. Very, very interesting artwork as well. Damn. Looks like an ice cream. Oh my god. We got it, guys. That's an amazing fucking pull. Cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. In secret rare, that's insane, guys. What an amazing display that is. That's so cool. Holy. That's amazing, guys. It was the third last pack, actually. We only have 2 more left. Let's see if it could get any better than this. Damn, we got it. Okay, another one, nice. And now we come to our final pack. Let's see what we can get out of this one. Okay. Oh. It is a super rare, but it's a very beautiful artwork. Very, very beautiful. But damn, we achieved our pulls. Let's look at all the special cards. The super rare, our secret rare Crimson Dragon. So cool. That's insane. It's really beautiful and real. Another super rare, an ultra rare, another ultra rare, super rare. Our staple card. Our staple display card. A couple of supers. Another, oh, our secret rare visas. Damn. That's an amazing pull as well. Damn. I'm very, very grateful. This has been an amazing display. That is very, very nice. Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and let me know how good those cards are, what they're worth. I'm a bit new to the display opening game, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care.